Hello, my name is Chris. Hi， 今天是3月17日，而今天的每日一句呢，我 Chris 先做一个分享给你们看一下。喂 ，All right, let me see that. Okay, guys， 我们来看一下 March 17th， 3月17日，今天有一句叫做 dressing down, all right, dressing down. 这里的 dressing down 部分，它有斥责、痛骂一顿，或者是穿着轻便的，或者是指服装。然后我们都晓得服装这一块部分，我们可以用 clothes 来做表示 ，right? So 有关例句的部分，我们来看一下 Number 1. On December 25th, December 25th 是我的生日，在这一块部分，我们称它为特定日子。所以在我们国中这个阶段，特定日子前面我们加上一个 on. I couldn't curse in the office for a rough dressing down. On December 25th, I couldn't curse in the office for a rough dressing down. 这里是指12月25日那一天，我叫了 Chris 进来办公室，然后并且把他狠狠地刺训了一顿。Number 2. Dress down, just like go remove neckties and jackets. Dress down, just like go remove neck, tights and jackets. 所以这里的中文解释我们称它为穿着轻便装，然后就很像是脱掉我们的领带跟我们的外套。All right, number 3. The store has marked its summer dress down.The dress has marked its summer dress down. Dresses down. OK， 我们在这个部分，我们知道商店把夏季的服装都减价掉了。All right. OK, number 4. Chen gave the maid a dressing down for not cleaning the silver properly. All right. 我看一下 ，OK。Chen 因为女仆没有把银皿器擦干净，所以狠狠地刺训了她一顿。Alright, Chen gave the maid a dressing down for not cleaning the silver properly. Alright, if you like my videos, just describe it. Okay, I want to say goodbye to you guys right here. Okay, bye bye. Bye. 有看到我的背景吗？我还蛮喜欢这个背景的。Good, very good. Bye bye.